Okay, but time distance problem. So we have a long stretch of east-west road. A and B are 2 points, such that B is 350 km west of A. One car starts from A and other from B at the same time. Okay, great. If they move towards each other, then they meet after 1 hour. So towards each other is opposite direction. I know. I hope that you are aware of relative speed ideas and all. So sum of speed will be 350 km covered in 1 hour. So sum of speed is 350 km/h. Great. If they both move towards east, then they meet in 7 hours. So that is in the same direction. Same direction, the difference of speed is required. So 350 by 7 is the difference in speed. That is 50 km/h. And we're looking for the, okay, what? Okay, so what question is this? It's a 10-second problem hardly. We're looking for the difference between the speeds, right? In kilometer per hour. Silly man. I mean, you have this 350 kilometers total distance. You know that when they move, both move towards east implies they're moving in same direction. If you know the relative speed concept, this question is nothing out here. I mean, this is simply 350 divided by 7. So straightforward answer. So we know the answer is 50 km/h. It's a 10-second problem. What do I analyze on this? Nothing to do here. It's a very, very simple problem. You do get questions sometimes like this. Just smile a bit and then move ahead. Don't waste too much time pondering on the simplicity of this. Anyhow, that's it for this question. Nothing more to explain. I hope everybody's aware of relative speed. That is the only idea. Okay, let me explain that much. I think I have time to do that. So one car is moving in this direction. Let me draw a smaller arrow. One car is moving in this direction, let's say, with a speed of 6 km/h. I'm just taking random values, not necessarily tallying with this particular value. The other car is, let's say, chasing this car and chasing this car with a speed of what? Let's say 15 km/h. Now, every hour, the first car, so this car, let me highlight this, sorry. Every hour, this car moves 6 km forward, but this car moves 15 km towards it. So effectively, the speed, the distance between the two will reduce by 15 because of the car behind, but will increase by, so this will go down. So how do I put it? So the difference between them will reduce by 15 because of the car behind, and will increase by 6 because of the car ahead. So effectively every hour the distance between them is reducing by 9. So the gap between them. So when we talk about relative speed, it's essentially the gap that we consider between any two objects. So the gap is going to reduce by 9 km every hour. So if it is reducing by 9 km every hour, we can say the relative speed of the faster car. Let me expand this a bit. Yeah, of the faster car with respect to the slower car is 9 km/h, because with respect to the faster car, the slower car with respect to the slower car, that is my bad. With respect to the slower car, the faster car is approaching it or reducing the gap to it by 9 km every hour. So in this example, we have initially a gap of 350 kilometers, and that gap is reducing in 7 hours. So every hour the gap is reducing by 50 km/h. So that should be the difference in the speeds. So the difference in the speed is 50 km/h. That's it for this question. 10-second problem. Definitely round one question. Do not miss questions like these. So thank you. I hope that was understood.